My name's Amy and I'm currently 12 years old and year 7. In my Kumon worksheets, I'm currently doing the concavity of curves, which is like trigonometry, I think. I think I'm about 2 months from completing Kumon. Kumon has helped me in like lots of ways. For example, persistence in doing my schoolwork, because I've been doing Kumon worksheets basically every day now. And I think it also helped me with self-control, because I have to do at least one worksheet every day. So that helps me like getting on task during school and stuff. And I also think doing math questions, it helped me think really fast. For example, like I play netball outside school and I have to make fast decisions when I pass the ball. I don't think I have a natural gift for maths. I think Kumon helped me like fall in love with it. I'm really proud of completing the English program in Kumon. That took me like maybe 5 years. I would like to persist and complete whatever I want to complete when I grow older. Being Kumon has taught me like persistence, self-control, and just being consistent in everything I do. And that's a really important thing in life, I feel like. That would help people achieve whatever they want.
I think the philosophy of the Kumon quite much what we want to build for Amy, which is the persistence and split the big goal to small steps. Life is a marathon. It's not about the running ahead in temporary time. It's the lifetime learning, which I think that's what Kumon can teach us.